people ask me to teach about the word for cooking. So today we will learn some word or some example about how to use the cooking word. So the first word we learn today is about cutting or cut. In Japanese, when you want to cut something, you say kiru. Kiru. Kiru is mean cut. For example, when you cooking, you should sometimes you need to cut the vegetable or you need to cut the potato. So in the case like this, we say in Japanese we use kiru. Or we change to be the mas form, we can say like kirimasu, right? And in here we have the example like potato o kirimasu. Potato o kirimasu mean I cut the potato. I cut the potato. Or you can create a sentence like Tanaka-san wa potato o kittemasu. Tanaka-san wa potato o kittemasu, which means Mr. Tanaka is cutting the potato. Or you can say another sentence like Suzuki-san wa yasai o kittemasu. Suzuki-san wa yasai o kittemasu, which means Miss Suzuki is cutting the vegetable. Or you can say like Oka-san wa yasai o kirimashita. Oka-san wa yasai o kirimashita. Oka-san is mean mother, so it means my mother cut the vegetable. My mother cut the vegetable. So this is about we use the knife